Chrome Tips Part 9. Useful keyboard shortcuts in Google Chrome. 1. Bookmark the current site. Command+D. 2. Select the URL in the address bar. Command+L. 3. Find on the current page. Command+F. 4. Reload the current page. Command+R. 5. Open your history in a window. Command+Y. 6. Open a new window. Command+N. 7. Open a new window in incognito mode. Command+Shift+N. 8. Close the current window. Command+Shift+W. 9. Open a new tab and switch to it. Command+T. 10. Close the current tab. Command+W. 11. Switch to next tab. Control+Tab. 12. Reopen tabs. Command+Shift+T. 13. Zoom in and zoom out. Command and +R. 14. Print the current page. Command+P. 'Like and subscribe if you find it helpful.